Hi, this is Chris Roshnot24K on Twitter. Today we're unboxing the Moneual Rydis Hybrid Vacuum Cleaner, and it also has a big mop with water tank. This is the Rydis H68 Pro, and it's made in Korea. We're going to go ahead and do the unboxing. Comes in a nice box with a handle. And it says hello. So inside you have the Robot Cleaner Quick Start Guide, and you have the user manual. Shows you how to turn it on, turn it off, where to put the batteries, how to deal with the water, charging, where to put the brushes, how to install them, basically how to get it all set up. Look, it even comes with a remote control. So here's one of the side brushes. This is the right side, and there's one over here. So the left side brush. Take the robot vacuum cleaner with big mop out of the box. And you can tell this is a quality unit. It is heavy. Pull the plastic case off. And there it is. This is like a copper tone version of it here. So you press this to open it. As you can see, this opens. You have your handle. And this, I presume, is the water tank. That's what it looks like. Oh, actually, it's how to clean the dustbin and filter. So this is pretty simple. Just pull it out and clean it out, set it back in. Put the cover back on. You're ready to go. Now we'll look to see what's inside of the side piece. Easy to come off. Okay. And this piece is the charger unit. So like most of these robot cleaners, they go back to a base station and charge themselves. And that's what this is here. And you can see the charge contact points here. Okay. Now we'll take a look at the underside of this vacuum. So here's the business end of the manual cleaner, and we have all of the pertinence here, how to do the instructions, what to look out for. You have the brushes here that rotate to get the cleaning done. Here are the two contact points for charging, a front wheel. Here's the larger wheels. These are nice wheels too. They're not, they have spring-loaded arms on them. They don't feel cheap whatsoever, which is great. It's what you want on a vacuum cleaner, something that's sturdy and that can handle it. I've been through many vacuum cleaners and they just can't deal with the carpeting, switching to regular floor tile. So these definitely feel like they can handle it. And then, so this is the Moneual Rydis Hybrid Cleaner. And it also has a mop as well. This is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter.